Good morning, students of class 6. Today is part 9. Okay, in previous part we studied about large number in practice. Okay, unit quantities we have studied about in previous parts, how we convert units in as like we have given that kilometer, then change in centimeter. Okay, I told you in previous classes. Okay, and I told you about some chart also. So today in part 9 practice exercise 1.2, I tell you some word problems according this exercise, how we solve these exercise. Okay, for example, this one is not a question of this type, this one is example. I'll give you some example according this exercise. Okay, as like in exercise 1.2, our first question is as like this way. Numbers are not same because I give example. Okay, because you can do as well as this type of questions of exercise 1.2 according this. Okay, what should be subtracted from 20 lakh to get 4,87,384? Okay, our question is, what should be subtracted from 20 lakh to get 4,87,324? This is word problem, students. How we solve these type of questions. Okay, so first of all we have read this question up to 2 times. Okay, students, carefully we have to learn and do this type of what should be subtracted from 20 lakh to get 4,87,324. It means in this question, okay, in this question our answer is 4,87,384. Okay, and this one and this one, important thing is that, so what will we do? The number will be subtracted from this number is, okay. Wait a second, I write here is here. Okay, yes, because there is not space. The number will be subtracted from this number is, okay, so we write here 20 lakh. Okay, students, don't be confused here. It is write in your Indian number, not international way number. Okay, I told you in previous classes international and Indian numbers. Okay, I write here this number in Indian number. Always be remember, don't be forget previous parts. Okay, so basic rules don't be forget here. Anyone ask you that in international number, so you can be write in these ways. Okay, 4,87,324. Okay, students, so what should be subtracted from 20 lakh to get 4,87,384? So answer is, we can subtract. If you don't subtract in we can subtract here as like that 0. Okay, 0 is less than 4, so we use carry mark. This becomes 10 becomes 10 minus 4, 6. Okay, I write here answer. Then it becomes 9 subtracted by 2, 7. Okay, 3. Then it becomes 9 subtracted by 3. Students, don't be confused. If you have confusion, you can write here also normal subtraction also. Okay, I tell you normal subtraction also, so don't make mistakes in subtraction, because subtraction is normally in first 2 you have in 6th class, 2 you have studied in 5th class, 4th class, 3rd class. Okay, 4,87,000 324. Okay, subtraction. It becomes, 0 is less than 4, so it becomes, we can use carry mark. So we use carry mark from here, so it becomes 10, then 6, then 9, 7, then 9, 6, then 9, 2, then 9, 1, then 9, 5, and then 1. Okay, so our answer is, okay students, 15,12,676. Okay students, so we can write here, students, don't be confused here how we do subtraction in this way. A very easy method I tell you in this way. Students, look here, if you take your answer in this way, you can add both numbers, then you will find, you will get this number 6, 4, 10, 0, 6, 7, 2, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, or 1 carry mark, then becomes 10, 6 plus 3, 9, and 1 carry mark becomes 10, 1 carry, 7, 2, 9, 1 carry mark becomes 10, 8, 1, 9, and 1 carry mark becomes 10, then 1 carry marks, 5 plus 4, 9, and 1, 10, and 1, 1, 2. Students, this is very easy method. If we have this type of questions in our exercise, what should be subtracted from 20 lakh to get 4,87,324, then what will we do? We do subtracted in this way. Okay students, I tell you one question of this. Okay students, so don't be confused here. I give one example as like with this type of question. If we have in word problems as like with that, if we have total mark as like 300, 400, then one number is that one, and find out the second one number. So we can say that, for example, if additions of two number is 23,28,487. okay, if additions of two number is 23,28,487 and first number is 5,12,297, then find out the second number. Student, this type of questions is also in your practice exercise 1.2. Proper this question is not, but I will change some numbers. Okay, digits are changed. Okay, but this type of questions are in your exercise 1.2. okay, so I will tell you about this type of question, how we do these type of questions also in our book, in our notebook, and in your exercise. Okay, so first of all, we know about that the additions of two number is 23,28,487 and first one number is that, and find out the second one number. Okay, so what will we do? We do subtraction. Okay, if suppose students, if we have 5 chocolates, okay, you can say that you and your friend have 5 chocolates, okay, and your chocolate is 2, then how much chocolates of your friend have? Okay, how much chocolates your friend have? Then what will be you do? You do subtraction. 5 minus 2. Okay, you have 2 chocolates, and then how much chocolates your friend have? So you do 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is equals to 3. You say that 3 chocolates are my friend chocolates. Okay, so here as well as we do here, we do subtraction. We subtract 5,12,297 from 23,28,487. okay students, so we write here as well as we write addition of two number. Two numbers are 23 lakh 28,487. Okay, then we write here first number is 5,12,297. Then second number is what we do here, we do here subtraction. Okay, then I write here 23,28,487 subtracted 5,12,297. Okay, answer is, when we subtract here, I do subtraction for your basic knowledge because you don't do in this way. So I write here 4,087 5,12,297. Students, I tell you in previous part when we use comma mark. Okay, so don't forget here to use comma mark. Okay, I write the number same as well as. Okay students, so match here I write same numbers. Okay, so 7 subtracted by 7, 0. 8 is smaller than 9, so we use one carry mark, that becomes 18, then becomes 9, then here becomes 3 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 2, 6. Okay, then 2 minus 1, 1, 3 is smaller than 5, then 13, 13 minus 5 becomes, students tell me, 8. Okay, then it becomes 1. We have 18,16,190. Our answer is 18,16,190. Then we will write here hence. Here we write here hence the second one number is okay students, here the second number is 18,16,190, and you will check your answer as like add of these numbers 7, 9, 9, 18, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 6, 2, 8. Okay, and 1, 1, 2, 8 or 5, 13, or 1 carry mark, it becomes 2. Okay students, so this type of questions also given in your exercise 1.2. so I give some homework according this chapter. These both questions. Solve questions of practice exercise 1.2 according today's topic. Okay, according to this we can say here according today's topic as well as according today's questions. Okay, I tell you about two types of questions, so you can do solve question of in your fair notebook. Okay students, first of all in your rough notebook, then in your fair notebook. In your book there are I think there are three questions according 3 or 4 questions according these two types of questions. Okay, so you can do in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you students.
For more updates, search on YouTube RP Dular Shikshan Sansthan. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon.